Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about T-Burn chain. Here we are to the website of the project. T-Burn chain is the future of trust-based blockchain technology powered by AI-driven trust verification. It redefines security and transparency. With quantum resistance protection and enterprise-grade scalability, T-Burn sets a new standard. Now, Minute Live, you can start your journey with T-Burn today. This is the world's first AI-powered trust verification network with quantum resistant security meets enterprise-grade scalability. Here we have first of all option to their T-Burn scan. So here we are redirected to their T-Bird Minute Blockchain Explorer. This is where you can track live blocks, transactions and wallet addresses in real time. Everything is updated instantly, ensuring full transparency and trust. Simply enter a block number, TX hash or address to explore the network. And on the website we have the details of blocks, then we have details of the daily T access and uptime, which is 99.99%. You can check out the dynamic share scaling, which is mentioned here, and 5 core technologies. Enterprise grade infrastructure with 1900% TPS increase and 95% cost reduction in Web2 level UX. Modular DA, data availability, restaking, reward up to 12.5% APY, 95% for gas savings with L2 scaling, account abstraction, intent architecture, and Web2 level. And then you can check out the core solutions, enterprise grade blockchain infrastructure with triple band AI, 3-tier AI orchestration using optimized decision making at strategic, tactical and operational levels. Then quantum security, and then DeFi Hub, complete DeFi ecosystem integrating DEX lending, staking and yield farming with Liquidity AMM. Then we have the GameFi platform. This is the next generation GameFi platform infrastructure with P2E engine, tournaments, and NFT marketplace cross-chain. Then Autobahn and cross-chain bridge. Secure cross-chain as the transfer solution connecting to 7 plus chains including Ethereum and BSC. Let me tell you something powerful about this project. T-Burn is not just another blockchain, it is built on AI-powered trust verification with quantum resistant security. It is fast, transparent, built to create and real digital trust in modern world. Okay, now so here we are on the white paper, so you can check out the white paper to know more about the project, to know more details about the project, their co-partners, infrastructure, etc. So here we are, a white paper. First of all, you can check out the executive summary. Their vision through the perfect future of AI and blockchain, they build decentralized infrastructure that everyone can trust. So we also have their vision and mission. Then AI, BFT, consequence logics like AI community selection, multi-factor scoring, rapid financially, etc. Then we also have their core pattern portfolio, dynamic AI driven sharing, AI learned traffic patterns to automatically split merge shares of 5 to up to 64, automatic risk score calculation. Then predictive self-healing system, hybrid message routing, multi-hash cryptographic system. You can check out the infrastructure in SDK like TypeScript SDK supporting multi-chain compatibility, automatic retry, event-driven architecture, etc. You can check out the distributed validator strategy, North America 30 and 35 for Europe, Asia Pacific, South America, Africa, etc. And then cross-chain bridge. You can check out the cross-chain bridge of this like Ethereum on BSC, Polygon and Avalanche. You can check out multi-sign, 12 12 validators, 50 million insurance fund, AI anatomy detection, single max of $2.5 million. Then the main thing is the tokenomics, that what they have tokenize the token, like 20 years sustainable deflection master plan, total supply which is 10 billion T burn. Initial supply is 10 billion, final supply which is mentioned here 6.86 billion, minus 5.04 is for total burn, and 31.4% is for deflation rate. You can check out total distribution, like here we can see out the percentage of this: 65% for the rewards and validators, 20% for community, 14% for investors, and 12% for ecosystem, team for 10%, foundation for 8%, and total is 100%. So you can check out the tokenomics as well. Then, as we have already discussed about the ecosystem and security, like you have made details of the Genesis NFT and more details. And most of all, we have last but not least roadmap, that what they have planned for their future and what is the future planning of the T-Burn chain. So you can check out the details, their future plan, almost 2025 to 2026 plus I mentioned here. So you can check out the roadmap which is mentioned here, like in the phase 1 to phase almost 5. So you can check out details that what they are going to do in future and what they have completely done. So all you have to do to check the white paper, to know more about the project, to check the recent details, mission, VN, etc., everything about the project. So you can get the white paper from website. And then most of all, we have the social channels. You can simply follow them on Twitter. You can join the Discord server link, YouTube channel, and other social links. So it is better to join the social channel to know more about the project, to know more about the details of the project. This is a world first trust network powered by AI analysis, verifying project reliability and ensuring transparency. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Looks to me this is the best project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.